Dear students, today we shall try to comprehend the poem of R.N. Tagore, Have no fear where the mind is without fear. The title of our poem is Heaven of Freedom. Where the mind is without fear, by R.N. Tagore. This poem has been taken from the poetry collection of Tagore, Gitanjali, for which he got Nobel Prize in 1930. Gitanjali. He got Nobel Prize in 1930, and one of the major incidents in Tagore's life is that he rejected the title of knighthood, which was given to him by English government. He relinquished the title because of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which happened in 1930. 1990. The date of Jallianwala Bagh massacre is 1930. He wrote many plays, many poems, and he is also a founder of Shantiniketan. He was a painter also. So, students, in today's lecture we shall try to comprehend the thoughts regarding our country. How should be our country in the thinking of Nobel laureate R.N. Tagore? How should be our country? How should be our countrymen? We shall try to comprehend. Where the mind is without fear, the atmosphere of our country should be without fear, according to the poet. And the head is held high. The head of our country, the head of our countrymen should always high with the proud. Proud and pride. Where knowledge is free. Students, in today's atmosphere we see that the institutions are taking in donations for admissions. The admissions are taken place on the basis of caste, creed, nationality. It should not be there in our country, according to R.N. Tagore. Knowledge should be free without the discrimination of caste, creed, nation. It should be distributed among every section of the society. In the poor also, in the middle class also, in the rich people also. There should be no discrimination. Where the world has not been broken into fragments. Fragment means small parts, divided into small parts. Our country should not be divided into different parts of any matters. Fragments. The world means our country. Our country should not be divided into small parts by narrow domestic walls. our country should not be divided by narrow thinking and domestic struggles. In today's condition also we see that there is a struggle between different states also, like the river struggle between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, where words come out from the depth of truth. Freedom will be such that the countrymen, the people of our country always speak truth, not the lie. Where tireless striving means struggle. Stretches his arms towards perfection. Tireless means endless. Tireless struggle. For example, every student study for getting good marks. If he do not get good marks, it will be not his perfection. So our country gets perfection in its struggle. This is the idea of poet. Where the clear stream of vision has not lost its way, our country should be based on reason, not on the superstitions, not on the religious matter. Our country should be based on reason, has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of bad habits. Our country should not be lost in the dead habits. Dead habit means traditional ideas. There were many traditional ideas like there is no right for women to study. There is not any right for low caste people. But these are all traditional ideas, like for women, parda pratha, this is also a traditional habit. Sati pratha, this is also a traditional habit, dead habits. Our country should not be based on such traditional ideas. Our country should be full of modern ideas. In our country, there should be development with the help of science, technology, where the mind is led forward into ever-widening thought and action. The mind of our countrymen should be thoughtful, not the lazy, not the lethargic, and full of action. Our country's person or people mind should be full of action. He should be active, not the lazy. Into that heaven of freedom, these all are the ideas of getting heaven of freedom. My father, here father means God. Let my country awake. What the poet says, let my country awake, and my country should be hands of heaven of freedom, not in the physical freedom. We are all free, but if we are narrow-minded, we are not free. We are in the boundary of caste, creed, nationality. We are not free. The actual heaven of freedom is that we should not bound ourselves in narrow ideas. So students, this is the gist of our Nobel laureate Tagore. I think that you are fully satisfied with the explanation of the stanzas of the poem.